Good morning, students. Today I will explain you true false and question answers of our lesson the tsunami. Yesterday we have completed the explanation of our lesson. So now the question is, say whether the following are true or false. Here 5 sentences are given. We have to say these sentences are true or false. So let's start. Number 1, Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and brother-in-law in the tsunami. So this sentence is true. We have seen in our lesson that Ignatius, he was the manager in a cooperative office. He lost his wife, his 2 children with his father-in-law and brother-in-law. So this statement is true. Number 2, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. So this is the false statement. Here what's our question? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जो है वो उसका मतलब जो है वो क्या है, संजीव ने सुनामी के बाद अपने आप को सेफ पाया. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग. आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू दैट संजीव वॉज अ police officer and he tried to save his friend John's wife, but unfortunately he and John's wife both were washed away in that wave. So this sentence is false. Number 3, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. This sentence is also false. Meghna said that she saw 11 times over her head a relief helicopter, but they didn't see Meghna. So this sentence is also false. Number 4, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island, and this is the true sentence. Number 5, her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. अल्मास की मदर और उसकी आंट दोनों ही वो जो वेव आया था सुनामी का उसमें वॉश्ड अवे हो गए थे, तो उन्होंने एक कोकोनट ट्री पकड़ के रखा था. सो हियर द स्टेटमेंट मीन्स दे बोथ वॉश्ड अवे with the tree that they were holding on to. So this statement is true. Now let's see comprehension number 2. Here we have to answer the following questions in a phrase or a sentence. Means these are short question answers. First question is, why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? The answer is, Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. Smith, Tilly and her family came to Thailand. So why they came to Thailand? To celebrate Christmas. Question number 2, what were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? The answer is, both saw the sea rise and it started to form whirlpools. दोनों ने देखा कि जो सी है उसका पानी ऊपर आ रहा है. इट मीन्स द सी राइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डू यू थिंक Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? So the answer is no. Tilly's mother was not alarmed by them. Number 4, where did the Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? I have discussed this thing during our lesson explanation that Smith's family went to the 3rd floor of the hotel and were saved. Now let's see comprehension check 3. Number 1, in the tsunami 1,50,000 people died. So how many animals died? Here the question means सुनामी का जो वेव आया था उसमें अराउंड 1,50,000 पीपल ने अपनी लाइफ लॉस्ट कर दी थी. मीन्स इतने पीपल की मौत हो गई थी. तो कितने एनिमल्स की मौत हुई थी? Our answer is very few animals died. The reason I have already said you during our lesson that animals had sensed about what was going on. क्या होने वाला है? What will happen in future? So उनको सेंस हो जाता है. That's why they move to safer place to live and to alive themselves. Number 2, how many people and animals died in Yala National Park? Our answer is 60 visitors and 2 animals. 2 water buffaloes died in Yala National Park. Number 3, what do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? Our answer is people say that the elephants ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. Means जो एलिफेंट्स थे वो सुनामी आने वाला था उससे 1 घंटा पहले ही वहाँ से दौड़ के भाग के चले गए थे. पीपल से दिस वन. नाउ कम टू दी नेक्स्ट. नंबर 4, व्हाट डिड द डॉग्स इन गैली डू? The dogs in Galley refused to go to the beach for their daily run. Here, when I have explained you that lesson, in that lesson I have explained and told you that the owner of the dogs went every day with his 2 dogs to run outside, and the dogs also become very excited to go outside. But when the tsunami about to come, the dogs in Galley refused to go to the beach for their daily run because they also sensed about this calamity. Now answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. We have just discussed short question answers. Now we will discuss long question answers. Question number 1. What is a tsunami? When did it hit so many so many countries and sea coast? The answer is a tsunami is a very large and powerful wave. It is caused by earthquake under the sea. The deadly tsunami hit Thailand, India and the Andaman Island on 26th December 2004. Question number 2. Who was Ignatius? Why did he put his television down on the ground from table? Ignatius कौन था एंड उसने अपना टेलीविज़न टेबल से उतार के नीचे क्यों रख दिया था? Our answer is Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. When his wife told him about an earthquake, he immediately took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so what it would not fall and break. So that it would not fall and break. वो टूटे नहीं और नीचे गिर नहीं जाए, इसीलिए उसने अपना टेलीविज़न टेबल से उतार के ग्राउंड पे रख दिया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ डिड संजीव लॉस हिज लाइफ? During our short question answer, I have also told you about Sanjeev, and once again I am repeating in this answer also when Sanjeev heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook, he immediately jumped into the water to rescue her. जब उसने अपने गेस्ट हाउस कुक जॉन की वाइफ की चिल्लाने की आवाज़ सुनी तो संजीव ने क्या किया? ही इमीडिएटली जम्प्ड इनटू द वाटर टू रेस्क्यू हर. उसकी वाइफ को बचाने के लिए उसने वाटर में जंप किया, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली they were both swept away by the powerful waves. What is the view of some experts about the animals? Our answer is some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. Means animals की जो हियरिंग सेंस होती है वो ह्यूमन बीइंग से थोड़ी अक्यूट होती है, ज़्यादा होती है. दे कैन सेंस एन अप्रोचिंग डिजास्टर लॉन्ग बिफोर ह्यूमन्स रियलाइज व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ अवर लेसन द सुनामी. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वी विल डू इन अवर नेक्स्ट सेशन. थैंक यू एवरीवन.